then please don't. How do I put this pain into words? Like a bullet from a gun, it burns. Slept on a vandal sofa and I woke up with spots on my face from germs. I feel betrayed by my girl, you were ungrateful when I gave you the murk. Even though I'm a man, I should hide it. I swallow my pride and say that it hurts. I'm lit right now, I got motion, but still need a plan B, cause tables turn. Negotiation landed at 25M, I'm making a label work. I won't even lie, I put family second. I'm sorry, the money's my main concern. If my funds are low, I get suicidal, so I gotta put paper first. If I don't pay the bills, then who will? Remember, I felt like that man got trained OT, 2 days, got 2 bills. Open my mind, I'm feeling limitless, just like the film Pop 2 pills. It's a full circle moment, I come out the night case true with a shoe deal. I still didn't lose ambition.